Hello everyone. Today we are here in Kharadi, but not the Kharadi that I know. Noise is gone, traffic is gone. Confused, right? Well, I am standing here with Mrs. Lalita. Hi Lalita.
Hi.
You know what? I have seen so many properties, but this property is something different. Please tell us more about this.
It is story, isn't it? We all are busy to making our career and running faster than our life. But anytime, any point of time, did you ask the question for yourself, what your life make you happy? No. This luxury lifestyle is your answer.
I mean, the entrance is so massive.
Yeah, actually.
It's not showy also, but it's very calm.
So this is a massive villa, around 5,200 square feet. If you see the window and height, it's almost double.
Right.
So you'll get better lighting and sunlight too.
Yeah, and natural light
Natural
is
light
always
also,
better. Yeah.
So after moving from hall, we reached to the, this is foyer. So if you see the right side, we have a powder room for the guest.
Right.
Then we have a lift. This is personal lift for the villa. And when you reach to the, this family sitting area, so opposite to family sitting area, we have a 8-seater dining.
Yeah.
And you have provision for bar too.
A perfect time to spend with your
So this is
family. A cozy place. Right.
Perfect villa who really looking for lifestyle. Leaving from family room, this is beautiful corridor. Oh, just next to.
Oh wow, what a beautiful space though.
So this is beautiful backyard, so you can do parties, birthday
Yeah.
party, get together. So this is good for
nature's
really
lap.
looking for lifestyle, yeah. So we saw the backyard.
Yes.
So let's go to the kitchen. We see the.
Yes, that's the
I'll
main
show you the
part.
kitchen how it look like.
Heart of the house.
So wait, let me show you kitchen. Come. So this beautiful kitchen you can see. So this is very nice and huge. So I think so 4 to 5 ladies can enjoy here in the kitchen.
Yeah,
Like us.
like a
who really want to
gossip session, come cooking
I
session
can
like
make
that.
this gossip session.
Yeah. Yes.
This is my favorite part in this villa. So after that, of course, you need some washing area. So this is huge washing area. We can say this is very huge.
Dry balcony
With
is
the oven
different
pot.
and this is different. Washing
Yes.
area is different.
So एक main part रह गया है. This is beautiful bar.
Oh, that's the, I mean, the peak male content
Yeah, so तुम पीते
is
हो?
over here.
तुम पीते हो?
No, sorry.
Oh,
That's the male peak content over
so
here.
wrong person. चलो.
Yeah.
You said you're not drinking, so that is not the topic.
I'm the wrong
We have
person.
to change the topic
Yes.
and just reach to the master bedroom. This is guest bedroom with attached bath.
that's great.
So you can see this is very nice and huge. So guest आपके घर में सिर्फ रहने के लिए आएंगे because वो इतना बड़ा गेस्ट रूम मिल रहा है.
और वो भी नीचे ही रखा है. Guest को very smartly they have designed. नीचे guest ही रहेंगे.
So we saw the guest bedroom. I think you like the guest bedroom.
Yes, of
so you
course.
will come my home every day.
I'll stay over here.
You will
only.
come. Okay, yes, that's
I'll stay
great.
here only.
Let's go up. So we have 3 bedroom upper side, and the
Okay.
bedrooms are very nice and huge.
Oh wow, we have like a couch.
This is upper floor.
Yes.
Foyer, so you can sit and chit chat with me.
Again, this is like a cozy space.
Yes.
With your family, coffee
Yes.
and gossip.
Yes. So अपने काउच पे बैठ लिया हमने कॉफी भी
Entrance
पी
foyer देख
foyer
लिया,
भी देख लिया,
gossips
सब
भी हो गए।
बेडरूम भी दिखा देती हूँ.
चलो,
let's
that's
go.
the main part. Master bedroom.
Master bedroom
Wow.
with attached walk-in closet. So काफी
Okay.
सुंदर walk-in closet है.
That's the, I mean, must have nowadays.
मतलब बॉम्बे में इतना रूम होगा? Bombay
No way.
people has this much room, and I'm
No
giving
way.
in Pune people giving you walk-in closet. You can see the bathroom.
Oh my God.
एकदम ऐसे शहजादा जैसा फील हो रहा है क्या? You and villa, Oh.
इतना जो वॉशरूम है, इतने में तो मुंबई में एक रूम होता है.
So ये मुंबई वालों जरा देखो, आओ यार पूना में. So मुंबई people 15 करोड़ का बजट है, और इतना सुंदर सा विला विद 5,300 स्क्वायर फीट ढूंढ रहे हो तो मुझे कॉल करना मत भूलिएगा, क्योंकि ये बहुत बेस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी।
मुंबई में जितनी एक बेडरूम होती है उतना एक वॉशरूम है इनका।
सो मुंबई वालों को
master
जब मैं इतना
bedroom
बड़ा
का।
बड़ा फ्लैट दे रही तो काहे मुंबई में रहना, पूना में आओ ना भाई। So this is first bedroom with attached walk-in closet and bathroom.
Okay.
You saw na, it's very big.
Yes.
So
of
in
course.
this floor we have a 3 bedrooms with the
Three
walk-in-
master bedrooms.
3 master bedroom with
Okay.
walk-in closet. Now we are going to another bedroom. This is again master bedroom with open closet. Open closet means you will not get attached with the
Attached.
bathroom.
Oh,
Yeah.
but this is also
This is huge. Yeah, this is very nice
huge.
because your space is very nice.
Yeah,
So you can,
right.
couple can use easily.
Yeah, this is huge.
Yes.
This is as good as walk-in wardrobe.
Exactly.
Oh, and we have a beautiful balcony.
In this we have
also
attached
over there.
balcony also. Yes.
Great.
So have a look.
Great. Also a dedicated space for study.
Yes. So you can make according to you because this is a villa, no? So
Right.
I just show you the sample, but you can do
Okay.
whatever you want to do.
The best part is this, I guess.
Yes. So everyone has a dream. They need, master bedroom with attached balcony.
Right.
So this is really nice thing to buy.
I imagine myself sitting over here with a book.
So
Very
see, and you
nice.
planning to buy now.
Yeah.
So you saw the second master bedroom.
Yes.
You like it?
Of course, I love it.
Okay, so let's go and see the third master bedroom. I hope you will love this. So this is
Okay.
again wonderful master bedroom with walk-in closet. So here you will get again walk-in closet, and this is inbuilt. So
Oh, great. So
Yeah. So you have a
washroom
space, I mean to
and,
say-
yeah,
yeah.
washroom and walk-in.
yes, so here the space you will get, so you can make wardrobe according to your choice.
Oh, but there is ample amount of space.
Yes, this is a huge
Yeah.
space where really people are looking for this kind of bedroom. This is
Actually.
again with attached balcony. So there's a
Great.
two master bedroom with attached balcony. So you can see the balcony also very nice. So either you can enjoy that in that master bedroom or you can come and enjoy here.
Wow, great.
So from here you can see backyard also.
Yeah.
If your kids are playing down, then you can watch them.
You know what? It doesn't feel like you are in Pune.
Pune, yes.
Yeah.
In Kharadi.
In Kharadi, right.
So if
No
you-
noise, no traffic.
It's a peace.
Nothing. Peace.
So if you're looking for really luxury in Kharadi, don't forget to call me.
And I'll be very, very honest that please, if you come here, please, sorry, no, if you don't come here, you will regret it.
Yes. So अभी हमने पूरा villa देखा. You like the villa?
I loved it.
Okay, love.
Yeah.
So you saw a villa, you like the villa. Now I'll
Yes.
tell you what are the carpets,
Yes.
what are the plot sizes and pricing.
Yeah.
So इसका basically पूरा plot size जो है villas का वो करीबन 80 acres में plots आ रहे हैं. इसमें
Okay.
करीबन 191 plots हैं. और आपका जो plot size की बात करते हैं तो 6,700 square feet का plot size है, जिसमें आपको carpet करीबन मिलता है 5,300. So ये पूरा विला अगर आप लेना चाहते हैं, बेरशल है, तो इसका प्राइस करीबन आपका है 13.50 प्लस अदर चार्ज.
Other choices.
हाँ.
Lalita, now please tell me about the amenities of this beautiful property.
Sure. They have a massive 55,000 square feet of clubhouse and additional outdoor sport facilities. Even they have 8.5 acre central garden with water body.
Yes.
So please DM us right now for this tour.